We live in a world designed to brainwash us into thinking that being successful means making a six-figure income, but it completely ignores emotional wealth, spiritual wealth, time wealth, relational wealth, and mental and physical health, which is wealth. But also, without a steady income, how can you be free? Even if someone financially supports you, that person now holds power over you. Whoever has the money has the power. Sometimes people will convince themselves that they actually don't value money. And those are the people who are thinking about money the most because they are stressed about making ends meet or trying to do things that they want to do but feel like they can't. People who have more financial bandwidth don't actually think about money as much because they don't have to be obsessively stressed over it because they have it. And I'm sorry, but you can have all of the love in the world, but if you're stuck in survival mode, that is going to be a stressor on that love. So what are we supposed to do here? Let's say you make it in the traditional sense. You make six figures doing something that you're pretty good at. It's not your passion, you don't love it, but it pays the bills and everybody thinks you're doing really well. Deep down, you have this gnawing feeling that is telling you that you're meant for more. You're existing, but you're not living. You don't have time to be with family, to invest in your creative pursuits. Rest feels like a luxury, and your nervous system is shot. Your livelihood is completely reliant on a boss who could fire you at a moment's notice because at the end of the day, it's not personal. It's the bottom line. The whole time, you feel guilty for not being grateful enough. So you suppress that feeling by buying things you don't need to impress people you don't like, doing something you don't love to escape a life you don't want. Your creative genius gets diluted down to a hobby its potential never fully realizes or even ceases to exist, but at least you're making enough money, right? But what if there was another option? What if you could create a life based on your creative gifts and interests? Imagine you start showing up online and sharing who you are and what you do. You discover what you and only you can do, and you become one of one. You don't see anyone as competition because you're not concerned with being the best. You're concerned with being the only, with carving out your own unique lane. You attract a community of people who really see you and get you. And eventually they buy from you because you add so much value to their lives simply by being you. You wake up every day feeling fulfilled, like your life has meaning and purpose because you've created a life where you get paid to exist. You get paid to be who you are, to do what you love, to share what you do. And you discover parts of you that you didn't even know existed. You get to travel the world with people that you love and you feel like you can afford anything. You don't feel like you should be grateful. You actually are. This life has never been more possible than it is today. You have to decide that you are going to take control of your future and not submit to a system that doesn't have your best interest in mind. Take the power back and start creating your own reality. Don't let self-doubt, the judgment of others, perfectionism, or imposter syndrome hold you back from getting the life that you know you're meant for. And yes, you do have to climb Cringe Mountain. It's the price you pay. But the price you're unwilling to pay today is the debt you will be paying down for the rest of your life. Now is the time to start showing up. The market may feel saturated and it is not going to get less saturated, but you showing up as who you are cannot be copied. You have to stop waiting for the perfect conditions to start and trust that clarity comes when you take action. You don't even have to believe in yourself that much at the beginning. Self-belief comes. You don't have to see how it all works out. All you have to do is take the step that's right in front of you. I made a video that shares the exact steps that took me from 0 to 50,000 followers on all my social platforms, how I went viral, how I've been seen by some of the biggest music artists in the world right now, and how I've been seen by millions of people just by showing up as myself. See you there.